I'm Kathy Hansen and I'm a business strategist. What the heck does that even mean? I have an MBA, I have 25 years of experience. I've worked with entrepreneurs and business owners all over the country. I've also worked for Big Brother, worked in corporations. So I know what it's like to have a busy life and work hard to be successful at owning your own business. I understand the lines between work and life are super blurred, and that's what I do for a living. I bring my clients enthusiasm and passion and conviction that they can make their business what they need it to be. And I oftentimes save my clients time, energy, and money by helping them figure out where they're spending their time, energy, and money. They're most three precious resources that any one of us have at any given time, and we never ever seem to have a surplus of all three. So that's what I do, and I've created this website so that you can have me in your back pocket. I love clients who want to have me in their back pocket all the time, so I do one-on-one clients. I've created 2-minute videos every single week that you can sign up for, so you have me in your back pocket for the week to get my enthusiastic advice about how to be a business owner and an entrepreneur and be successful. I've created video series for you on my website, and you can also hire me to be a public speaker for your small business group or your large corporation, because this is what I'm passionate about, having entrepreneurs understand that there's someone who's been there in the trenches and has understood what it takes to be successful and in work and in life. And that's what I do at Back Pocket Strategy.